What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to search for a dump. Probably not in this little area here or above, because you would see some shards down here at least, and I'm not seeing any, so I guess I'm going to climb up here and hope that I can find another ravine that is loaded. Okay, well, here's a sign and an Emelware dish. Old RC cola bottle. Well, when it's too steep to walk down, just slide down and get all dirty, I guess. What's up, everyone? So yeah, I didn't find no dump. I've actually been trying to find dumps for a while now in this area. 6 months total. So this area is definitely a challenge, probably because the towns in this area are just so small. But yeah, that's why I haven't posted any videos lately. It's just been a big challenge to find somewhere to dig that's worth filming. I got a couple that I'll post, but I definitely need to get at least one halfway decent place in the area. Yeah, so if any of you know of any places in this area that you think may be worth digging, feel free to comment below and let me know, and I can check them out when I get free time. Like I said, I'm in the Pomeroy area, so you got Pomeroy, Middleport, Chester, Point Pleasant, West Virginia, Mason, West Virginia, Athens, Nelsonville, Logan, Coolville, Parkersburg, Marietta. So pretty much any of those areas. Gallipolis too. But yeah, I know that most people watching me probably aren't even from this area, so they probably don't even know of anywhere decent around here to dig. But for those who do, I understand that no one wants to give up their good honey hole or whatnot. But let's say someone is no longer physically able to dig, and well, they're not digging, obviously, so if they're not digging, then I don't see what the whole issue is about giving up a location. And then another person could have lived here and moved away, or maybe they just don't have time to dig. So just because someone knows of a good spot doesn't mean that they're against sharing it. But I can understand from a digger's perspective of why they wouldn't want to just go post a good area for the world to see, because then you don't want everyone and their brother jumping in your dump and making a mess or whatever. But anyway, so yeah, if I can get a place like that, I can get more content and make more videos. But if not, then posting videos probably isn't going to happen that often, because it's just not worth making a big 6-hour commute to drive to the other side of the state where I know where some places are. What's up, everyone? Doing a little exploring in my least favorite weather, the rain. But I do see a bottle here. I don't know if it's anything. Probably not. Looks like no deposit, no return. It is. It's nothing. Another bottle here. Can't tell if it's anything. Looks like a beer. It's got so much stuff on it, I really can't tell if it's embossed or not. I can't even tell if it's blown. This area here looks kind of dumpy. And I think I see a bottle ledged down in there underneath a bunch of stuff. I hope it's a nice embossed one. What is all this? That's a bone there. That's nothing there. This is a bottle here. Oh, it's a Gordon's Dry Gin. Oh, look, a little fish. Anyway, there's another bottle right there, but first I gotta find a place for this gin so it doesn't float away on me. Alright, man, my hands are ice. I wonder if this is like a layer, a dumpy looking layer. I mean, it looks like it's like a dump. Man, let's see what the bottle is. A Hoster from Columbus. Well, that's not bad. I mean, I didn't expect to find anything, and I got 3 keepers. Even though they're all common, I mean, no complaints from me. There's an insert, but I don't really care about that. Okay, got another bottle right there. See what kind of age we got. End's curved inward, which makes me think modern, probably, if it's like that. Because usually the older ones are not curved inward, they're more squared off. So it could be an ACL type bottle. Okay, so I came around from this way because the other way had a bunch of sinking stuff, and I see a soda right here. It's hard to tell if it's a late throw or an old one, but it's an old one from picking it up, and it has an S, so it must be a J.G. Stallsmith if it's embossed. Because these modern ones, the no deposit, no returns, don't have them letters like that on them. I can't see the embossing, but yeah, I think it's a J.G. Stallsmith from New Lexington, Ohio, just because I think those had an S embossed on the base of them. So that's the best bottle. If that's what it is, it's probably 1910 to 1915, somewhere in that era. I think I see more bottles. There's one in the creek bank there and one there, but the one there looks like a screw cap, so it's not very old. Yeah, it's a screw cap. I don't know, the one in the bank does not look very old, but I guess I'll go for it. I gotta put this one somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the one and hope it's a nice one. I don't think it's gonna be anything up that high. But it actually does look like it's older than I thought. It's blown. Oh, it's a Weedman. Yep, sometimes I'm wrong about things. Weedman. Nice early looking one. That's a Newport, Kentucky brewery bottle. Most of the time, a person talks about mass-produced bottles, they think of common patent medicines like Dr. Kilmer's and Dr. Caldwell syrup Pepsins, but there is a few mass-produced beers too, and this is one of them. You find them throughout Ohio, and you find them in Indiana, West Virginia, Yeah, they're a pretty common brewery bottle. Most brewery bottles you usually just find them in the town they were made, but not this one. It's a nice blown mold one. 1900, 1905. Try to find a maker's mark here, but I don't see one. Probably NBB company or something. Because the ones that have that on them are usually have it really weak embossed.